welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a Degustabox for you. Degustabox is a monthly food snack subscription box. This is paid for by me, it's not PR. Yeah, let's jump in. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm very wonkily placed. I'm uncomfortable. Oh, sorry, the box is larger than I anticipated. It comes like this, comes via courier. You get a text to say when it's coming. Can't remember how much it is. I think it's $11.99, possibly. When you sign up, you will be given a discount code. That's everybody. Doesn't matter if it's you, your nan, your mum, anybody, your babysitter, whoever signs up gets a discount code. They can then pass that discount code on to other people. When 2 people use that discount code, you get a free box. This is a free box because 2 of you fucking awesome people have used my code, thus meaning that this is free. So yeah, let's jump in. Woo! Falling over. So you get all the leaflets and stuff. It looks like this. I'm just gonna get a stool to put it on because least prepared YouTuber in the history of the world. It's not like I've done this 4,000 times before. Yeah, someone was asking me about this. Degustabox Premium Selection You'll Love. For a limited edition with 11 to 14 premium food and drinks. An unboxing experience designed for refined foodies. Am I a refined foodie? Questionable. Yeah, let me know if you want me to get it. Let me know what you think. So you get this and it tells you all about it. The theme this month is outdoors and barbecue. Outdoors and barbecue, people. Let's see how accurate it is. The first thing I've got is some Brioche Rolls. These are nice. We buy these, but we buy them with chocolate chips in because why would you want a boring one without anything in it? This has a short expiry date on it, it says. Oh God, this has been here a couple of days. Oh no, it's fine. It's got like 3 weeks on it, it's fine. Since 1936, when Gabriel Pasquier first opened his, another word I can't pronounce, I'm not going to butcher it, we have always honoured the traditional brioche roll. Soft and tasty, our brioche rolls can be enjoyed at any moment of the day. Enjoy with a favourite spread, or why not try as a savoury treat instead? So the kids will eat those, they're just going to be annoyed that they've not got chocolate in. Oh, I'm not going to open these because I bought some of these the other day. Hippies cheesy nacho vibe snacks, and I love Hippies. Like, they do like the puffs and they're so yummy. I love them, and I was really excited. Saw some of these in Sainsbury's and they are fucking gross, but Ben really liked them. These are £1. See, I got a massive bag for £1 in Sainsbury's. Brand new, just got the Hippies tortilla chips are made from chickpeas and a packed plant-based protein. For the people who give you chips, you should receive 1 of 3 items. So there's other flavours as well. But yeah, they were so gross, but Ben enjoyed them. But not for me. I was very excited to try them, but nah. Next up, I've got a fat-free vinaigrette. Hellmann's one. This is 7 calories a tablespoon. This delicious vegan vinaigrette is perfect for adding a dash of flavour to healthy dishes. It is herbs, garlic and red peppers. Enjoy and let us know what you think by leaving a review on your retailer website. So you can see the red pepper flakes in it. Let's have a little smell. Smell, smell, smell. Smell, 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 smell. Can't undo it. Fucking hell. I've just got dressing on my window. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells really good, actually. I would definitely use that. Yeah, it smells good. Oh, it's made my mouth water. It's all tingly. It smells good. Next, I've got Pip Organic Sparkling Lemonade, organic juice and sparkling water, no added sugar. Here at Pip, we have worked with organic farmers for many years. They only use 100% organic fruit. It's 1 of your 5 a day, non-GM, never from concentrate, no added sugar, no colourings or flavours, and vegan friendly. Cute packaging. That probably needs to be a different colour though, because you can't really read it. Unless you like, but it's nice. £1.50, very expensive. Pip Organic Sparkling Lemonade, refreshing blend, not from a concentrate. under 75 calories. This piptastic drink counts as one of your 5 a day, which is nice, as well as giving you a refreshing tingle to your taste buds. Let's have a try. It's nice. It's got honey in it. It tastes a bit like honey. Has it got honey in it? No. Okay, so it's got water. It's meant to be lemon, but then it says sparkling water, organic apple juice, grape juice, and it's only 5% lemon. So it's 40% water, 35% apple juice, 20% grape juice, and then only 5% lemon. I'm so confused. I thought it was lemonade. It doesn't taste like lemonade. It's not horrible. Next up, I've got Roundtree's dessert pastels, cherry bakewell, blueberry pie, and mango sorbet. They look interesting. Let's have a look at these. Cherry bakewell, blueberry pie, apple crumble, and mango sorbet. Roundtree's dessert pastels are vegan friendly. I want to try a pink one. I have no idea what flavour that is. I think it's meant to be cherry bakewell. I've not had a fruit pastel in years. Okay, now I've chewed it, there's like the tiniest hint. Like almondy sweet. They're nice. The kids will like them. A lot in my teeth. Okay, next I've got Echo Falls Rosé Seltzer, strawberry with a touch of pink pepper, 69 calories a can. I've got some of my bitches coming round tonight for garden drinks, so I'll put this in the fridge and give it to one of those fuckers, and I shall let you know what they think of it. That says the new Echo Falls Rosé Seltzers come in at 69 calories and are available in blueberry and hibiscus, strawberry and pink pepper, and raspberry, lychee and rose. These summer flavoured seltzers are the perfect, lightly flavoured seltzers are the perfect summer tipple. £1.80. I've got some Knorr, and this is rosemary and onion seasoning. Ooh, that's interesting. I love that. Use Knorr's, is £1.80 though. Use Knorr's seasoning blend to create delicious, no added salt dishes. It's ideal for sweet potato salads, roasted veg. Oh my god, that smells amazing. It smells like stuffing balls. Like if you're from the UK, traditional stuffing balls. Oh my god, that smells so good. And then you can get 2, and it's tomato and garlic or rosemary and onion. I'm really happy I got that. That smells absolutely incredible. Love that. Next, I've got some Hershey's cookies and cream. I'm not going to open it because Hershey's is disgusting, but Ben likes it. This is 89p. Bring sweet moments of Hershey's happiness to every day with a classic flavour combination, delivering the perfect blend of smooth cream, white chocolate with crunchy cookie pieces. 89p. Ben will be really happy with that. Next, I have got... we got one of these or 2 of these? You should receive 2 items in your box. Here we go. These are Telstar caramelised mini cookie stars. And then chocolate mini cookie stars, produced by the Nib Nibs team in our Yorkshire bakery. Irresistible mini cookie stars, all the taste but with less of the naughty. 30% less sugar, no artificial sweeteners, colours or preservatives. Perfect accompaniment to enjoy with your favourite brew. So we've got caramelised ones and then heavenly ones. And they look quite nice. Let's have a look at the caramelised ones. 50p for a single bag or £10 for 25 packets. A little star. They're crumbly. I thought it was going to be like gingerbread. Yeah, nice. 88 calories a bag. 90 calories a bag. I like those, they're nice. They're crumbly, I was expecting them to be like a gingerbread texture. Here comes the dog to click-clack around. Next, I've got Nairn's Spicy Oat Cakes. Ooh! £1.50. If you like your snacks on the spicy side, our new cheese and smoky chipotle oatcake should fit the bill. They're named, but not as you know them. Let's have a look at these. They do peri-peri ones as well. I don't really like chipotle if it's too smoky, not spicy. I like spicy. But I'm hoping the cheese will come through. So they're in little packets. So you get. Oh, Bob, go lay down, baby. She'll be back in a minute. Oh, they smell good. I've been eating like toasted, really toasted crunchy crackers with seeds and then jalapeno hummus as a snack recently, and it's so good. Amazing. 10 out of 10. I love these. I don't get any spice, but they're really nice and cheesy. Oatcakes, you do really need like hummus or something to dip because they are quite dry, but I absolutely bloody love them. That is going to be my lunch with some jalapeno hummus. It's happening. This box is so good so far. Whitworth's Protein by Nature Spicy Mexican Grains. This is, it says I am vegan. Where are you? I can't find you. £2, absolutely ridiculous. Taste the protein, the goodness. Protein by Nature Mexican Spicy Grains are nutritious, 100% vegan and packed full of 20 grams of plant protein, which is amazing. Containing all 9 essential amino acids. The pouch is heated in under 2 minutes and contains no added flavours or preservatives. So it is it rice or is it other stuff as well? Cooked grains. So wheat berries, pearl barley, red quinoa and black barley. Yeah, it looks nice. And I will definitely, oh, it does look good. Oh, it looks so good. Look at that. That looks delicious. Now I want that for lunch as well. All the spicy stuff. I'm having a week of vegetarian food. So all this stuff like this is just very exciting. Next, I've got a cocoa vanilla with whole oats protein bites. Excuse me. God, it's going to piss some people off. £1 for a single bite or £2.49 for a multi-pack of 4. Oh, it's one big bite. Don't ditch it. Feel good. Switch it. Looking for a treat to hit the sweet spot. There's 45% less sugar. Meet Graze's Cocoa Vanilla Oat Bites. That sounds delicious. I'm not going to open it now just because it's nearly lunchtime and I want to have my lunch first and then something sweet. But this is 138 calories for a little thing. So that's nice. Oh. What are you? That's really weird. Like, this is Nib Nibs. And it says if you want to be more gorgeous than you already are, but you still nibble your favourite treats, these caramelised mini cookies could be just a thing. 30% less sugar, 88 calories. Perfect with your favourite brew. But it's literally like, so we got these ones, which are Telstar. And then these are Nib Nibs. But then on that other one it said produced by the Nib Nibs team. And these are 88 calories and they're little stars, caramelised ones. Why would you put two things in that were the same but for different brands? That's really weird. Nib Nibs is a bakery where we make the most fabulous things. And then on that one it says Nib Nibs. I think they might have got muddled up. Or they made it the same place. They made it the same place. Why would they do that? I'm so confused. But it's more cookies. Then we've got a Smoky Barbecue Graze box. £1 for a punnet or $2.99 for a sharing bag. This is just like crunchy chickpeas and stuff. Ben loves these. He has a Graze box. I've had Graze for like since they started basically. We get 1 box a month and Ben has them and he takes them all and has them in his van as his snacks for when he's at work. And then the last thing I'm very excited about is a extra virgin olive oil spray. I love like proper sprays. Like in America they always get the like the cooking sprays and you just can't get them over here. You used to be able to and then they stopped for some reason, but this is an olive oil one. It's £3, which is ridiculous. Our Bertolli extra virgin olive oil spray is perfect for that fruity aroma to give dishes like salads, marinades and pastas. Made using 100% extra virgin olive oil and no additive, this spray is propellant free, using only pure air to dispense evenly the right amount of oil needed. I need to spray it on something to see. I'm going to have to just spray it. I want to spray it on this so we can sort of see. Oh, That was just like a jet. I was expecting a mist. That's done quite a large area though. Can you see how big of an area that has just done that little spray? So that's really cool. Let's just taste it. Yeah, olive oil. Can't really go wrong. That's really nice. I'm super, super happy with this box. I think that was one of the best boxes we have had in a long, long time. They're my favourite, I think. That and that, awesome. Absolutely so happy. Can't wait to have those for lunch. Can't wait to use that because that just smells delicious. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you want me to try out the premium selection because I'm fucking fancy. Let me know what you think and I shall order it if there are any left. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.